like to give you an update on my asparagus they took. I got them right there, and I got marigolds as a companion plant. Looks like I got one already trying to flower. Another one poked itself out. Don't have much going on down in these two, but they will, I think. This is the pepper bed that I have. I plant the same thing when I add a lot of nutrient to the soil in order to have low disease. Some people rotate their stuff. I do not. Either way works. Do what's best for you. So right here, as you can see, my cover crops, and I got everything ready. I tamed my chives. Unfortunately, with my water system, it went bad last year and it rotted out on one of my boards. I got to replace it. Here's another bed that I took care of. I still need to go through and pull all that grass out. One of my tomato beds here. And then this is the garlics and onion. High winds knocked this guy down. But didn't do too bad a damage on my onions here. The kiwi is coming back beautifully. I planted it last year. It's starting to throw out a couple more vines, which is cool. I got to team this bed for the hops. Go through and take back some of them so I have 2 to 3 main vines. Because if it keeps sending out vines, it's going to make this one less potent. So I'll go through and do that. My echinacea is starting to come back. My Caryopteris, I need a vise on that. Do I trim her back now? I'm not seeing anything, but you can see it overseeded. The green onion is coming back this year to just seed since I planted it last year. They're biennial. And I still got to go through, pull out these cover crops. You can see the hairy vetch there, the lentil, and I got to pull out the grass and get my bed ready. My beans are ready to go in. I'm at cooler temperatures this week. The lowest I will go is 50 at night. And I'm going to wait till this weekend. I'm at 45 mainly most of these nights. And this is the week that I wanted a transplant in. Michigan weather's sure been crazy. 80 like a few days ago. But this is all of the ones I got from the nursery and my own I started indoor. And there's my Prince of Persia, the Persian lime. Wanted to show you the bonsais. That right there is one of the elms. That is the large, I can see you want water. One of the maples from the mother. That is like one of the pears, Bradford pear. I think this is a apple. Over here is another elm. Hopefully my fig comes back. That's a Chicago fig. These look brand new, so let's hope it does. That is an oak. I do have new growth right here. This is one of my maples. And this one's really cool. Forget the name of it.